Okay, and a very good afternoon here on the 27th of November 2019. It's Rishi Patel, co-founder, Master of the Markets, the Elite Trades Conference, and the Trades Open Day. And you can see we have just hit target on this Euro US dollar money bars short opportunity. There's the PSWB short. You can see just their bar closing in the bottom part of the range just there, satisfying all the money bars criteria. Only 1, 2, 3, 4 trending bars that we had here in the previous phase, but it was good enough for a money bars short opportunity. We called that live on the close of that bar just there, which was on Thursday. We sold that short on Thursday night. Our stop loss was above the high of this bar just here, and you can see that that's moved all the way lower into Friday. And then Monday it came close to its target, didn't hit. Yesterday it moved against us, and today it's just come in and hit on the red line, which is our target just there, and that has banked out for us a profit. You can see just over 6,000 euros, 6,132 euros there of upside on the Euro US dollar trade opportunity just there. We're also running long currently on the dollar Japanese yen liftoff 3.0 here in the live trading room. So many of you will have seen that we would have called this opportunity. This was an unusual one because it took quite a while for the opportunity to actually trigger. If we look at the dollar Japanese yen just here, there is the entry point on the dollar Japanese yen liftoff 3.0. You can see we entered the market long on the break of that bar just there. The initial stop is tucked in on the low. We've already trailed this to minimize the downside, and today we're going to be trailing to below the 20 period moving average because the price has moved more than 20 pips away from that 20 moving average. So an excellent trade there that we're running long on. We're going to minimize the risk this evening so that actually we're exposing almost no risk now on this trade. Very, very small risk on this trade only of 12 pips, which will be roughly maybe a 0.15% of risk. So if it goes against us, the loss would be extremely minimized, but the upside here you can see is running quite nicely. So we are still long on that US dollar Japanese yen trade opportunity, and we are up around 443 euros on that at the moment. So that is our live trading update here at Master of the Markets for the 27th of November. We'll continue to monitor these positions and update the live trading room accordingly. Again, if you're already subscribed to the live trading room, we will be looking to tune in at 9 p.m. UK time this evening, where we'll give an update on these positions so you can see how they are moving. That's pretty much it from me in terms of this live trading update for now. I look forward to speaking to you all soon. Until the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, keep trading like a master. Bye for now.